strong, okay? Hold your hands strong, framing your face. Start with looking right, left, right, and switch your hands. Then now, left, right, left, switch your hands. Here we go. Right, left, right, switch, opposite direction, and switch. Your feet is going to be planted one in front of the other, so you can pump your heel as you're doing this. Good? Make sense? All right. Step 2, turn to your leading side. Your leading foot is in front, and again you're going to tap your heel. So here we go, tap your heel. Your hands are in a zombie position. You're going to, leading shoulder, you're going to raise it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Move it up. Same thing. 2, 3, 4. Switch. So you guys are going to pivot quickly. You can take that fourth count. So you can do 1, 2, 3, pivot. Goalpost arms when you pivot. Now you see my other foot, heel is up. I'm going to pump and back. Pump and back. So it's like pushing a pedal down and up. Goalpost arms go close, open, close, open. Good? One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 3. Single, single, double pattern. Small step touches. Right, left, 2 on the right, left, right, 2 on the left. Good. Start with your leading side. 1, 2, go double. Opposite, 2, go opposite side, double. Hands. Stretch your pinky finger. You're going to take your opposite. So if you're going this direction, leading direction, opposite hand starts. Single, single, double. So let's do it together. Single, single, double. Go single, single, double. Now, after this, you're going to stand, pray, right? Ask position. Roll your shoulders, pumping your heel. 1, 2, 3. Turn around. Put your hands behind your head. Again, 1, 2, 3. And big bang, pop. Good? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, pop. Next step, right here. 2 claps, okay? 1, 2, out. 1, 2, out. You're going to do this 4 times. And 4th time. Good. From here, you're going to step out, step in. Your fingers point sideways when you step out. Fingers point front when you step back in. Out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. Then you're going to jump back. So let me show you sideways. Jump back. Your finger is right by your chin and your elbow is holding your hand. Jump back. Make a circle. So here's how the circle looks. Circle. Okay, all using your behind. Circle and then walk up and 2. One more time. Jump back. Circle, walk up and 2. From here, you raise your leading leg, raise it, place it, and shake your core. Raise the other leg, place it, shake your core. Your hand is going to bless. Good? So, pretend. Bless and bless. Opposite hands and feet. So, if I'm going leading direction, my opposite hand is doing the blessing. 1, 2, 1, 2. Good? From here, you're going to slightly jump to the side and stay. Jump to the side and stay. Your hands are doing all the work. Poke your elbow out and then make a big circle. Poke your elbow out, make a big circle. Do it again. Circle. Good job. Step. So let's do it together. Push back, round circle, walk up and 2. Up, bless, up, bless, poke, circle, poke, circle, poke, circle, poke, circle. Now simple steps in between. Remember, we use the flat toe walk. You're going to use the flat toe walk. Back and forth 4 times. different hands. First, it's going to be a smile. Then you're going to pretend to zip your back. Pretend you're wearing a necklace and then looks good. Awesome. And then we are going to sway in place. Sway in place. 8 counts. So 4 counts to take it up and 4 counts to take it down. Now take that leading leg, go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. 4 times. Good?
Let it be a sign. Let me know you're mine. Won't you give me a little love tonight? Let it be a sign. Let me know you're mine. Won't you give me a little love tonight?
इशारे तेरे कंगने दे तरीके दिल मंगने दे मेरा भी दिल चोरी कीता फैन तेरा बन गया ये इशारे तेरे कंगने दे तरीके दिल मंगने दे मेरा भी दिल चोरी कीता फैन तेरा बन गया ये
सैया तेरी हर गल झूठियां तेरे हाथ विच किस दी अंगूठियां हर कुड़ी नाल वे तू गल करदा चाचा मैं तेरे नाल रूठियां
Ishare Tere
इशारे मेरे कंगने दे करके दिल मंगने दे मेरा भी दिल चोरी किता फैंड मेरा बन गया ओए